So this is how to fix Forza Horizon 5 not launching. Make sure to follow exactly my methods. For the first one, you should go to the Windows taskbar, right click and select Task Manager, and then go to the search and type in the launcher that you have the game on, which is Steam. For me, right click on it if you do find it running, and then select in task. Next, go to the search and type in NVIDIA. After that, make sure to open this NVIDIA app. You can download it from their official website if you don't have it displayed. You should sign up with an account or log with your existing one. After that, go to settings icon and then make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay. Next, go to the drivers icon and make sure to install the latest available driver, as you can see right here. Next, go to the Windows icon and search for settings. You'll be redirected to the home, so go to the Windows update section and make sure to download any stuck or pending updates you will find. It is very important to prevent any issue happening. The next method, you should open the Steam launcher. Now you'll be redirected to the store, so you need to go to the Steam icon top left corner and then go to settings, go to downloads. After that, select clear cache and click on confirm. After that, go to storage, select the drive that you have Forza Horizon 5 downloaded on and select these three dots. After that, click on repair library. Next, go to the view and select library where you have the game on. The game must be installed. I don't have it, so you need to select it. After that, click on this gear icon and select properties. Go to installed files and select verify integrity of game files. It is important to wait for the process to finish because it will start by verifying the original files of the game and check if there is any corrupted or missing file, and will be automatically recovered safely without the need to install the game from the start. And that's it. Now go to the Windows icon and make sure to restart your computer before trying to relaunch the game and see if it's gone. If you do find this video is helpful, consider subscribing, and see you on the next one.